What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. I might have some delay on my webcam. I've been trying to fix it for like the past hour and I can't. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if you like the video, like and subscribe. I appreciate everyone who watches these videos. I'm gonna put what we're at somewhere on here on the screen, and yeah, let's get down and gritty. Today we did take a L, as you guys can see by the title, and it would have been a banging day, and I basically lost today's trade because of my risk, or not my risk, but technically my risk, but because of where I put my stop loss. I'm gonna mark up the trade I took right now, and I'm gonna get into why I took it after. So let me just do this. Alrighty guys, so this is what I took today. As you can see, we got stopped out before we end up making the extension. Now, why did I take this? Let's go to the 4 hour, right? Boom. We come here and I mark out these highs up here, and yeah, I basically wanted to see if price ended up doing anything, and we end up making a huge dump, right? Well, yeah, we end up dumping really hard, right? As you can see, if I delete all this stuff, we come all the way down here, right? And once we come all the way down there, wait for the 5 minute to see if we make an SMT, and as you can see, we pass the lows down. We don't pass the lows on ES, but we pass them on NQ, so the SMT is already favoring NQ. After that, I scale down, right? My liquidity area was hit. I wait to see what happens, and I get this 5 minute break of structure. Boom, boom, boom. 5 minute break of structure. After that, I scale down even more. I'm like, okay, in my eyes, I see price coming back up to take out the highs I had originally thought we were taking out. So after that, I see we get the 5 minute break of structure, and we also leave this 5 minute imbalance, as you can see right here. Let me scale down to the 1 minute, and okay, this is exactly what I had, right? I had this last inverse here, this last 1 minute inverse here. I had thought, okay, so if we inverse this, I have, what are like all the confluences I have, right? So we end up dumping, we make a huge candle to the downside, and then the hourly is starting to make a nice candle. If I reset, the hourly is now making a nice rejection candle to the upside, right? As you can see. So I was like, okay, I like the hourly high time frame. I like how in the 5 minute we made the SMT, right, favoring NQ. And we also broke 5 minute structure. I'm pretty sure on ES, yeah, we don't break 5 minute structure, but I wasn't even looking at ES to take the trade anyways. I liked what NQ was giving me. So after that, I keep scaling down, and I basically try to find an inverse, right? And we make this move down, right? And I go on the 1 minute because I don't see any type of imbalances on the 2 or 3. I don't see anything, so I just go to the 1 minute. Bro, this is so annoying. Boom. Holy candle, bro. Jeez Louise, you guys see that? Bro, we caught that live action. Yo, that's insane. Hopefully there's nobody in longs here. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Anyways, let's continue. So once I see that, I'm like, okay, I want to see price come retrace back down into that 5 minute, which we get it right here. And we leave this 1 minute bearish imbalance that I want to see get inversed, right? Okay, so once we inverse it, I enter right here, and I set my stop loss right here, risking 4%. Around there, like 4 or 5. I thought it was 5, but this is where I went wrong. As you guys can see, I enter after that inverse. We end up coming back down, and after that we just send right to where I wanted price to go. Where did I want price to go? as you can see on the 15 minute, if I reset price, boom, boom, go, oh my gosh. Okay, we had a 15-minute imbalance here that I saw price wanted to retrace to. So boom, we obviously hit that, but I got stopped out beforehand, right? Sadly, bro. Today would have been a banger trade again. We had the analytical wise, we had everything correct. Now this is what I could have fixed. This is my problem. So I'm identifying my problem right now, right? My problem was I tried to risk a little bit for no reason, right? Like there was no reason for me to try to play this safe. If I saw everything I had to, which was everything, I literally had the liquidity, my drawn liquidity get swept. I got the 5-minute breaker structure. I got to retrace to the imbalance. I got the inverse. I should have placed my stop loss where it had to go. I don't know why I played it. Like I had to risk a little bit, right? But I end up risking somewhere around here. I know I get stopped out. It was something around here, but I get stopped out, and yeah, and then price, as you can see, just goes straight to my TP. What I should have done is simply, okay, this is something I'm gonna do now from now on, because lesson learned, right? What is the lesson I learned? This. So after I did this, right, I should have boom, boom, long position. And okay, I should have identified this, boom. Okay, 22%, right? And then I should have established where my 1 to 2 would be, right? So it would have been right about here, 1 to 2, 11%. That's how much I would have risked. So basically, like down here to this candle down here, this is what my trade should have been like, a 1 to 2 risk right there, boom. And I would have, I would have been safe for the trade. The trade would have been a banger. But I try to risk a little bit and got stopped out. So I don't, lesson learned. It is what it is. I'm still glad I got the direction of the market right. I try to find a trade within all this, but dude, this was just, I could not find anything here. I thought we were gonna reverse here, but once I started seeing this chop, and we took out ES's highs. So as you can see, we took ES's highs. We hadn't taken these. Well, we took these highs on ES. We hadn't taken them on NQ. As you can see, we already took them out here. So that's why I thought price was still gonna keep pushing up. But I'm glad I didn't take another trade, because I thought we were gonna reverse here. I would have taken another L. But yeah, guys, the funded, or the eval is now we're at 184. We went down a little bit. I'm not tripping about it. This is a part of the game. This is what I should have done. Lesson learned. And yeah, guys, hopefully tomorrow and the next day is something better. We paid for the lesson today. This is something I'm gonna do every time I take a trade now. I have to make sure my stop loss is somewhere that it is not going to mess me up, because today would have been a banger. It literally would have been a banger today. But simple mistakes like these cost, right? So I learned my lesson. Hopefully tomorrow and the next day is better. If you like the video, like and subscribe. My Instagram's in the description. And yeah, peace.